an Otis freight elevator. Look at that. Okay. Go, come on. Oh, no. Yeah, so here we go. The phone. It's the phone. All right, here we go. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Because this is government property, sort of. Oh my God, this thing is slow. Original from 1969.
We're not going to 2 because then like what I saw, then we go.
What?
We go up and down. That's it.
Okay.
Should look at that.
It's an Otis. It's a cab. Can't believe it's this slow.
Good.
Oh shit, it's always out there.
I told you I didn't want to go to 2. I'll open up for you. You stand back.
Yeah.
Okay?
Open it up, ready to get down here.
Pretty cool.
Oh
It's
yeah.
pretty clean too.
It holds up pretty good. All original.
Very smooth and quiet.
Yeah, they don't build like these anymore.
Better than the one at work.
That's what this used to be.
Yeah. Okay. So stand back.
Yeah.
Then
Open the latch and open. Shh. Should we leave it open?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Close this.
Yeah. All right. You hear the button?
No, we're not going up. No.
All right, that'll be it.